This is on turbo mode. The 18K is okay, is good. I don't think there's a problem with the 18K. The airflow is good enough. Not as high as the Oasis model. The 18K Oasis model has bigger airflow volume. For the 12K, to be honest, also this is on turbo. It is very low, very low, very low airflow. Like if I go 2-3 meters away, I would not feel the flow of the air from the 12K. It is very weak. When I took out the filter, the airflow was better, much better. So I think the filter is one of the reasons that the airflow is not as good as the Oasis, as you can see here.
Hello?